Yep, me again. Me again. Thank you for the comments about my daughter and that grandson. Thank you, Gigi. I'm talking to you personally. Thank you, Gigi. I'm in my happy space today. Isn't it beautiful? It's simply beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. And if you're watching my channel and you've never seen me before, subscribe. It's rude. Like my mother used to say, it's not nice to walk into a room and not say hello. By hitting the like button or subscribing, that's saying hello, not just watching me like you're robbing me. Even though I don't think you are, but this is worldwide, right? YouTube is for everyone. You stumble on my channel, at least subscribe or like the video or make a comment. If you have children, you're in the right place because I'm Lady Outside. I do biological connections and I sell premium oil fragrances. Not the ones you find at the dollar store or even these commercials places. I specialize in quality premium oil fragrances that you could burn, wear, or spray in the room to give yourself the ambiance of a great feeling that only you can enjoy. So that's what this channel is about. And I have a daughter that had a baby, and I'm commenting in a response to people commenting on my video, and I appreciate that. It makes me know you're there. It makes me know people are watching, and I can continue on with my videos. Usually, I don't come with a video this quickly. I come usually with a video 2 and 3 days, or 4 days, or even a week, or a couple of months, maybe, because I'm out here, you know, in the elements, doing my thing in person, because I'm a human being doing stuff, and I'm being consistent as of today, because I'm putting another video on. Anyway, Gigi, like I said, my daughter had a baby, and it's weird. My granddaughter's name, I'm not putting a picture because she got so pissed at me. I put a picture on my Facebook story, and the story disappears after 24 hours. I put a picture of my grandson on my Facebook story page just because I was overjoyed. I guess I wasn't thinking. And she went off on me. She said how I shouldn't have done that. I disrespected her. I violated her. And I'm like, wow. And backing it up a little bit, she adopted a baby. My first grandchild is through an adoption, okay? And it's a little bit different feeling. And I embraced it and everything. And kind of going along, you know, with everything, you know, with your children and everything. But there's going to be a certain amount of respect on this channel and just anywhere where I'm walking or my presence is, that I'm going to have a little bit of boundaries on what's said and what's not said about me and what's done and what's not done to me. And I feel like the same thing with my child. She came off to me very, very, very disrespectfully. And I didn't mean any harm. I took the picture down. The other one I couldn't take down because she asked me to take down. But like a friend of mine said, who the hell is she talking to? And I feel the same way. But, you know, when your children get older and they have children, I try to give a little bit of respect, you know. My mom just kind of took over my daughter that's talking crap right now. You know, she kind of just took over, you know. But I'm a different type of grandma. If you've been watching my channel, I say I'm a grandma because I'm not sitting in the shoe for no one. You know, like old story, old mother hen sitting in the shoe. I mean, that would never be me. I'll have one of, maybe there'll be one of my kids will be perched up on this tree like a bird. I'll put him up there while I do a video or pour my scents. You know what I'm saying? I have a different lifestyle. But I'm saying all of this to say, when you have children, sometimes you have problems. You do. And I have children, you know what I mean? And the oils, I have babies' fathers. I have 2 children out of wedlock. I didn't get married. And by the way, I think it's best if you do. Just because it kind of puts a brakes on what you won't and will not do quickly. When you're married, it's a difference than just saying, hell no, I'm leaving a relationship. So that's why it matters. It kind of gives a form of a glue, as I could say. A form of glue as far as what we will and will not do. Let's say that. Well, anyway, like I said, I'm out here in my happy space. Oh my goodness, look what just happened. All my bottles just spilled out. All of them. And it's all good. I'm just as happy as I could be. These are the ounces though. These are the ounces. Oops. But yep, I'm just as happy as I could be. Let me clean this up. I got Angel. And I got a package in that I was going to do a video about. So I'm going to do that. But let me just get this up. I got a little bin that this is going in. Let's put these things in here. But yeah. What's been going on with you? Do you have children? And if you do you take over their children? My mother did. She took over my daughter. And, you know, I think it was done to her because I was born in 1964. So there was a lot of things going on there. But, yeah, I'm out here. Let's see. Let me see if I can prop this up. Bear with me. Let's see. Oh, let's put it here. Let's see. Are you there? Wait a minute. There. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. There's these sticks here. And if you think my video is weird because I'm outside and doing this, get off my page. I don't want to be bothered with you either. Get off of it. I'm not on your shit. Get off of mine. That's how I'm starting to feel. After everything I've been through, I'm nice, but then I got a mean streak too. And you don't want none of my meanness. You don't want none. Believe me, you don't. Any rate, here's the package. Now I'm gonna probably go on my Facebook too and put this too, because my Facebook fans and my Facebook, yeah, Facebook fans, Facebook friends. YouTube and Facebook are totally different. And by the way, I'm on YouTube for a different experience because I think YouTube people are searching for knowledge. Facebook people are just on there searching. Maybe that's why my daughter felt the way she did, because I would never, first of all, my Facebook friends, I limit my Facebook friends. I don't have, you know, who got shot, who got killed, who's murdering people, who's this and that. Every word is the N word. You know what I mean? That's not on my timeline. And if it is, I know how to push the delete button. Delete. And you could do the same thing, by the way, with my channel. You don't want to be subscribed to me? Unsubscribe. I do it all the time. Same thing with your email list. And another thing too, we rock and roll in the email list. So I put my email list down there. I put my email directly. Sometimes I don't have links. But if you click it and you are associated with me, especially, yeah, that's right. Even from a year ago, I have emails from people. So I'm going to start emailing things. My daughter woke me up into reality. You know, like she said, it's her baby. Don't put a picture, and I won't. I have my own son. I have 2 kids, 18 years apart. So, love her dearly and all. However, I have a life of my own, and I'm glad I started my business. Just imagine. No. Hear me out. Just imagine if I would have never started a business. I would have waited for my daughter to have children finally, because there's some women that are actually waiting for their children to have a baby. Unbeknownst to me, but there are people that are waiting for that. Not say that I was waiting for that, but I'm so happy for her. But when I reach out and try to do something and you slap me, I'm turned off. Anyway, let's do a turn on with these oil fragrances, because these oil fragrances have carried me all throughout all the BS in my life. And I can show you how to make them work and soothe the mind for you too, if you want me to. But anyway, let's do this. Here they are, boom, boom, came out of this box. And this will probably be gone, but I'm just doing a video to show you what I have and show you what I have access to. And that's what I'm doing. And just coming on too to just say hello. So it's not so far and in between. And like I said, if you have any suggestions for the channel, you know, that's always good. I might do it, I might not, but I'm here. I have old school Jadore. That's what it's called, Jadore. Remember Jadore? It's okay. But this is gonna go. This is bye-bye. I'm just saying, it smells good though. Old school Jadore. Jadore. Yeah, I'm getting off on my fragrance. The way they married these notes is, oh my God. I like Jadore. I never wore Jadore. I got it for someone. That's what happened with my oils. Most people that like oil fragrances, they know frankincense and myrrh, they know Noor, they know Sudan, they know Kush, Somali Rose, all these designer commercial stuff, you know what I mean? That's not really oil fragrances. Musk, original Egyptian musk, in that video I did a whole thing on, that is really the oils. But because they're married and they're created, yeah, we duplicate the scents. We duplicate, you know what I'm saying? We duplicate it with oil and we don't add alcohol. So it's a difference. It is a difference. Because people will be like, oh, I buy the real stuff. It's real too. And your point is? You could do more with this because it doesn't have the alcohol. You could ship it. You could do all kinds of things. I think the difference between when you get a perfume online and you get an oil online, the oil can be driven in a car. It could be flown on a plane. I think that's what it is. The way they handle it and export it and import it. Where the oils, you could do whatever. Where the alcohol is flammable. So they're only going to tamper with it but so much. Go into the post office and look around. So, yeah, oil fragrances. Spray, wear, or burn. Jadore. What notes does Jadore have? To my nose, I think it has a splash of cinnamon. A little bit of jasmine. Maybe bergamot. Flashes of orange. But it's hard because we can't smell over the screen. But if you like a older lady, grown smell, when you sweat, come get me what that is, and you're older, I'll say you're older, because to me, it's heavier. It's like a more mature flower. So it's got that resin of a white diamond, but it's not white diamond, if you feel me. It's heavy like that, because all fragrances are derived from barks, where I'm at, outside, barks, leaves, and all of that. That's where the oils come from. That's where it comes from. The musk comes from deer hide. Look it up. Look it up. Look what you're buying and look what you're putting on your body. That's what you do. Like I tell my daughter, look at the information and before you talk and run your mouth, think. This is Jadore. What ounce? And I got it like that purposely because that's what she wants. So it's this and out the door. But I didn't get a bunch of Jadore, no, because a lot of people don't ask for that. So I'm not gonna invest in that. I'm only investing on how I can help the next. Put it that way. This right here, this 1 4-ouncer right here is my flower bomb, honey. Flower bomb. Now this is more of a, I would say an immature flower because it's playful. It's like a poppy. It has a little sweetness running through it. It's been tampered with. It's been created and alternated and added to create the scent. Where maybe the Jadore from back in the day, it's because this fragrance, like a cool water, like a white diamond, it's been around forever. The ingredients will not change. So just so you know, Jadore is like a stronger flower mixed up with other bunch of things. Someone's calling me. It's okay. I'm gonna get off of here soon. But I just want to come say hi. Flower bomb. I'm gonna put flower bomb on me because flower bomb is the bomb. Let's put it on. Ooh, looks like water, but it's not. Flower bomb is the kind where you just want to cuddle up around your mama and just say, thank you, mommy. But you only do that if you're grateful. Flower bomb is pretty. I'm gonna list the notes down to the flower bomb on the in the description, just so you can see, because I'm getting ready to get out of here. And the Black Woman Unique, flower bomb, and Jadore. That's all I got today. And then I got other things too, like orange and different things like that. But I'm getting ready to go. I'm out of here. Let me go answer these calls and get out of here and meet people, because I do business in person. Let me gather up my stuff. Have a good day.